Alright, 4.4, write down the range of f. So when they tell you that you should write down the range of a parabola, they just mean that you should give your analysis on the y values of that parabola. For instance, we have this graph of f, which has the turning point at -4, or y is equal to a -4, and this graph can go up from -2 up to infinity, but it won't go further down from this turning point. It won't go to -5 or 6 or -6 or -7. So that means this graph has a range which is greater than this -4. So therefore y is greater than a -4, because it will not go this direction, or it will not go further down from -4. That is just how we described the range of f in this situation. Okay, again, if you have any questions, please do leave those questions on the comment section. Okay, now let us proceed to 4.5.